Hello, bonjour, it's Laura here. In this video, I want to put all of the transformations that you've learned so far together and do multiple transformations on graph paper. All right, so I've got the vertex form written in black on the left there, just to remind you of what the A and the H and the K values are. So let's just review there. So remember the K values, they move up or down. They tell you whether to go up or down. So that's vertical. The H values, they tell you about side to side shifts. And then the A value, that tells you whether you're going to stretch or flip. Okay, so that's a little review. Now let's look at the equation that we've got there on the bottom right. So that is y equals negative, and then in bracket, x minus 2, and that's squared plus 3. So you can see that the A is negative 1, the H is negative 2, and then the K is the 3. So we know that because it's a negative, that means that the basic parabola is going to be flipped, and there isn't another number, it's just negative 1, so it's not going to be stretched or compressed. And then the K and the H tell us where the vertex is going to be. So we'll have the basic parabola, but it's going to be flipped, and then it's going to have a different vertex than 0, 0. So where would the vertex be? So we know that the H will be opposite of the sign, so it'll be actually plus 2, and then the K will be plus 3. It's not opposite. So instead of negative 2, it's going to be plus 2 on the X, and then plus 3 on the Y. So this is where the vertex will be, and then it's going to be flipped. So instead of going right 1, up 1, we're going to go right 1, down 1, and left 1, down 1, and then right 2, and instead of going up 4, we're going to go down 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then left, we'll go left 2, and then down 4 instead of up 4. So there's our 5 points, and then you just connect them there, and that's what that graph would look like. Now let's look at this purple graph, or the purple equation here. So that is 2, and then in bracket x plus 3 squared, and then plus 4. So this one, the A value is 2. It's positive 2. So it's still going to open up because it's positive, but now it's going to be stretched 2. And then you can see our vertex is going to be in a different place as well. So let's look at the vertex first, put that. So the vertex is going to be negative 3, not positive 3, but negative 3, and then plus 4. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where the new vertex would be. And then let's go through the process of the stretching. So remember, for the basic parabola, we would go right 1, up 1, but instead of going up 1, we're going to multiply that 1 by 2. So we're going to go right 1 and then up 2. And then we'll go right 2, and then we would go up 4 for the basic parabola, but now we're going to multiply that 4 by A, which is 2. So now the 4 is going to be actually 8. So we'll go right 2, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that is where the next point is. And then we'll do the same on the other side. So left 1, and then instead of up 1, we're going to go up 2. And then we'll go left 2, and then instead of up 4, we're going to go up 8. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's our fifth point. So that's what that parabola would look like in that purple equation. So you can see it's been narrowed a bit from the basic parabola. And whereas the orange one, that's still the same shape as the basic parabola. It's just been flipped. All right, so that's putting it all together. I hope that helps, and good job, Miigwech.